How to log into Chase Bank online banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Chase Bank online banking. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up the app. Make sure that you have the app. You can easily download it from your Google Play Store or App Store. Now what you can do is you can tap on this sign in option, tap on sign in, and all you now need to do is enter your username. After you enter your username, enter your password. After you enter your password, you can then tap on sign in. If you want to remember your username, if you want the app to remember your username, you can check this box of remember me and then tap on the sign in option. Then you'll get logged in into your account. You can also use token if you want to. It's completely up to you. And there is also an option to recover your username or password. And that's how you can log in into Chase Bank online banking. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.